Subtract 4x minus 7xy plus 3y plus 12 from 12x minus 9xy plus 5y minus 8. So we have to subtract this term from this term. First we write this term. Solution will be 12x minus 9xy plus 5y minus 3 minus 4x minus 7xy plus 3y plus 12. Now we will change the sign of these terms with respect to this minus sign. So it will become 12x minus 9xy plus 5y minus 3. Now it will become minus 4x plus 7xy minus 3y minus 12. First we will handle the term of x, 12x of plus 4x of minus. It will become 8x of plus. Now x by term will be handled. It is minus 9xy and plus 7xy. It will become minus 2xy. 5y and 3y. It will become plus 2y. And constants will be minus 3 minus 12 minus 2. So it will become 8x plus 2y minus 2xy minus 2. This is the answer.